Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about package Flutter Typeahead. Now we open pubspec YAML and add package. Then we create state service.dart. Write class state service, write static final list string states, and now we add French cities. And now we create get suggestions, write static list string, write get suggestions string query, then we write list string matches, write matches dot add all states matches, return where element dot to lowercase dot contains query dot to lowercase return matches, save. Now we open main.dart, open emulator, remove floating action button, then we update app bar, update title, hot restart, update body, remove comments, and we create variable controller, text editing controller, dispose, and we write widget column, write children, write type ahead field, write builder, context, controller, write focus node, then we write return text field, write controller, write focus node, write autofocus, we add true, write decoration, write input decoration, border, outline input border, label text, city, item builder, context, string, suggestions, return, list tile, title, text, suggestions, value, add set state, controller, text, value, suggestions callback, string, search, write return, write state, service, dot get suggestions, search, save. Then we write expanded, then we write widget text, controller, text, style, write font size 28, save, add const, then we add widget padding, only, top, 80, then we add widget padding, only, top, 10, left 20, right 20, bottom 10, hot restart, Paris, Mexico City, This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.